Okay, let's get into these mini peach cobbler hand pies. Now, these are the ingredients I used, and I really didn't know what I was doing, but it actually came out good. So, let's get started. All right, as you can see, we are using canned peaches. I'm going to drain 2 cans of peaches and use a half a stick of Kerrygold butter. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add a half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of dark brown sugar. Okay, next we got to put a little taste in there. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, to that I'm going to add a couple of shakes of cinnamon and a couple of shakes of nutmeg. Now I'm going to mix this up and I'm going to take it to the stove and I'm going to go ahead and put it on low. Once I do that, I'm going to prepare me some cornstarch. I'm using about a tablespoon of cornstarch and some of that juice that continued to drip off of the peaches. I mix that up and add that to the mixture on the stove. Then I add the peaches back in and I let that simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to take this store-bought pie crust and I'm going to cut out me some little circles. Now, I don't have a biscuit cutter, so I used this bowl that was approximately 4 inches across. I'm going to separate 1 egg and I'm going to beat that until it's frothy and put that to the side. Now, after that 45 minutes, I'm adding my filling. Do not overfill. Put a couple of peaches in there, add some of that juice, pinch the edges, and use the tines of the fork to press it down. Also, puncture the pie shell with the tines of the fork once. Then you're going to add the egg wash, and we're going to cook this for 10 minutes on 425. Make sure you watch it so it's golden brown. Once you bring them out, they are done, but I added something to it, and I will give you the recipe for that peach cream cheese icing on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this.
I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Beach, we getting some traction. I'm at the views packing. I'm thinking her accent. I got a big something on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a pattern. Brand new sheets for the bed they sent. Y'all was tuned in bacon. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locking.
I hope that you have enjoyed this short video so far. Here's another take on it. I made an actual peach pie. All I did was do the bottom crust, put it in the oven for about 10 minutes according to the directions. Filled the pie crust, put a top crust on, and added the icing after it was done. For this one, I baked at 350 for 30 minutes with the foil on. Then I took the foil off the edges and baked for another 10 minutes. Thank you all for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Bye-bye, y'all.